In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to anchor in Wix. Anchoring is a useful feature that helps visitors navigate your website more smoothly, allowing them to jump directly to specified sections on a page without scrolling. If you're ready to enhance your website's usability, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click the Login button. If you haven't already signed in, enter your credentials. This will take you to your Wix dashboard, where all your website management begins. Now that you're in the dashboard, it's time to open the Wix editor. This is where the magic happens. Look for the button marked with a plus sign, which signifies the Add button, generally found on the left toolbar of the editor. It's your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Upon clicking the Add button, a menu will appear. In this menu, you will find many options, but what we are interested in is labeled Menu and Anchor. Hover over this option and then select Anchor from the submenu. This is the element we'll use to create shortcuts within your page. With the Anchor element selected, you can now drag it to the specific spot you want on your page. Just click and hold it, then move it to the location you desire. You want to think about which sections of the page your visitors might want quick access to and place the anchor accordingly. An important tip here is to give this anchor a descriptive name. Although it's optional, naming it makes it easier for you to identify the specific link later on, and this clarity can be quite beneficial when you have multiple anchors on one page. After positioning and naming your anchor, it's time to link it to another element. Decide which element users will click to jump to your anchor. This could be a button, a piece of text, or even a menu item. Once you've selected the element, look for the link icon, often represented by a small chain link. Click on the link icon and a new window will pop up. Choose the Anchor option here. You'll be prompted to select the page and the specific anchor you've created. Once you've made your selection, simply click Done to save the link. And just like that, you've created a seamless navigation path for your site visitors. This anchoring technique is a great way to improve your website's flow and user experience by helping visitors find what they're looking for quickly. Practice these steps, and before you know it, you'll be anchoring like a pro on Wix